there are going to be many opportunities for people to disagree. We all have our own personalities, and therefore it can happen. So just remember that if you do disagree and you have some kind of feedback to give, make sure it's constructive and not destructive. An easy way to ensure this is to make sure that when you give your feedback, you follow a few of these steps. First of all, you want to state the reason for your feedback. If you can't think of something constructive or a constructive purpose to give it, you may not want to give any feedback at all. You will also want to be very specific in your description as to what you observed. It is important to focus on the description rather than judgment. You also want to describe your reactions. It is important to remember to focus on the observation rather than the perception. Focus on the behavior rather than the person. Don't get personal. You also want to remember to give the other person a chance to defend or respond to your criticism. If you give a specific suggestion, that would help. You also will want to make sure you summarize and express support. In giving feedback, constructive, it is important to provide a balance of positive and negative feedback. If you constantly give positive feedback, you may never teach the person or let them learn from possible mistakes. And if you're constantly being destructive or condescending in your feedback, the person's not going to want to listen to you or come to you for any kind of help. So make sure you balance the two, constructive and destructive. By doing that, you will keep your group from being confused when you are giving constructive feedback or destructive.